morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter, which is our social tradition and rituals. In the previous chapter, we talk about the rituals. Basically, rituals means a ceremony which is performed in a traditional way. Ceremony performed in a traditional way lavaina it's a ceremony, right? Ceremony tato shrera and the ceremony ding traditional way la tangwara traditional la tu kapsla which is passed on from the generation to generation, right? Ngomani leti your tradition dila follow chua ta popa nang look examples to lavaina marriage ceremony, right? Marriage ceremony dinzula lama tinte shue la sopa do tang ani yang ta mi thong wai na 49 days shaship shabku tang la sopa do tang ta dinzu sama rituals to shaki re ra ani ta Nepali ki example to la wai na rituals la to kiran brata banda tang dinzu kunyung yu ki ra brata banda la na ani thread thread to kuba kau do di khwe tu zish to di khwe tang ani ya winning ceremony to tang winning ceremony la ta khala te tu just to akra Nepali ki thon la du pasni lai du sams khala te ta dawa thuk do pu chung chung dawa thuk chawai na ani khunzula khala te la sopa do tang ani yang naming ceremony la du ming ta do ta poba la pan year ra din ming ta do tang din some rituals to chaki re ra ani our social traditions la tu kapsla tradition lana it's a practice lana ta thanda chi thewa ra practice tang ani it's a belief na ije do stress, right? Chuluk la belief chewa nang shinki tradition dipan belief to rang de ta chuluk china re custom la ina re ta khante do yimba ina this is a belief which is passed on from the generation to the generations ngomani generation to generation past chi yo chate re ra di ko la discuss chire the kam ki video di long do chake na ko masung ra thona ya putero chi lai. Okay, a human society is a network of human relation and interaction. Society and culture are inseparable to each other. Culture is the way of living and it includes belief, rituals, traditions, norms and values created by the people who lives in the societies. So a human society lana ta society dikhande doshre na it is a network of a human relation ragi mare chizo nanglo da society nanglo la thedu kapsla networking la di kichimbu thongi dwa ta network doshre ra michi la shimba la ki te wa do sha la so pa ta interaction la tu kije shiwa communicate chiwa. So society tang ani culture kurang khande chakye la na cultures la tu ta language tang society nanglo la thedu kaps la chidang la sopa tang behaviors nzu yungi rwa mi samai ki behaviors tang di law yungi re rwa. So di tang ani society la di it's a inseparable la re ra inseparable la na not separable separable khan la re khata me gyo la sto khata me gyo res ra society tang culture la di culture is the way of living and it includes so culture la tu kapsla dedang tato chaki re ra da dinanglo la khande include chaki la na beliefs she je do tang rituals law yungi re ra traditions yungi re ra norms and values this all are created by the people sugi sugyo la na mi rang sugyo res ra chizo na la tegi mi rang ki ije che ani rituals nzo che ra ceremony nzo che traditions nzo che ra ani norms tang values la to kiran norms na value la na norms la de susuki chidang do shage ring behaviors do chira norms la na it's a behaviors and the attitude that is considered to be normal in the societies. The behaviors that do chidang dosh the normal you kyo mi changma ki ngaki nguma example chi mangbu ta nga example di mangbu ti sa yi ro for example nganji ki elevator dosh na la do yi na do ta elevator nganji ki zure sa ro the elevator zu tu kaps la nganji ki tongba tun pyo di khawala face chi la na nganji ki khodam la pa dong la tongba tun gi machine nganji ki kyab la yogo krang ki elevator na zu mi mangbu yong gi ra mi mangbu yong de krang ki kyab la tun gi mara dong di tongba di dong la tun gi ra so krang ki dong la tu na nganji sama normal ki through ni rang normal do rang thong gi res ra ta in case krang ki tongba kyab la tu na mi shemba de la tongba face chi tu ki matra so dila this normal chigi mari nganji ki so norms la tu nganji ki it's a behavior nganji ki chidang lai do ta digi chidang di changma la acceptable yu kyo ra ta kirang gi khen so du china ta di behavior di acceptable mari lai do di din zu lai res ra norms la na ani the values la tu kaps la values la na are those things people consider important to them kurang la ke chembu yu kyo susu la valuable things lai do ta kirang la valuable chala khande yu love nang sing kita ser kande do yo wai na valuable ngazula go to say norms lana it's a behavior so attitude that is acceptable in the societies ra or which is acceptable in a or it is considered to be normal while value lana it's something that people consider important to them so la ke chambu che chwa ngazula dilla lai res ra ta chizo nang lo la beliefs yore rituals and yore traditions yore norms tang value mi ki chopa khetang da chidang chudang lo yung ki re ra tin zo changma su ki sugyo re la na chizo nang lo la thige mimang din je ki mi gi rang sugyo re es ra and social rituals is the practice and progress followed by the people from the generation to the generations and is the identity of the societies ta chizo society nang lo la rituals nzo nga ji ki ngoni examples la nang sing gi rituals nzo ra tin zo changma nga ji ki practice chi res ra nam kyune nga ji ki practice chi shim bare chi te gi re ni the continue chaki res ra ai krang ki nang mo ki pu ta pu ki nga ji ki traditions nzo ta rituals nzo continue dui re ra we just follow from the generation and it is the identity of the society kurangi moto do chaki res ra it's a fact of being who you are susuki sui laishwa chizo kurangi moto do chaki dos rituals is a major components of the religions nanglo ni ra ta religions la tu ngaji ki religions mangbo ye ra ngaji ki Nepal example si baina religion chuluk pe mangbo re Christianity Jain Sikh la sokpa do tang ani Buddhist an shemba khandi re religions Hinduism la sokpa tang religions mangbo ye ra ta religions la tu ngaji ki susi ki hije chesh la sto ta worship chi sa church chi sa religions nanglo ni rituals la di main component chi those ra main part di rituals la di so that social rituals are determined by the religious ethics of the people that they follows religious ethic la tu kapsla so it's a practice law ina re ani yang mena teachings law ina re what is right or what is wrong le do ngaji ki ethics la tu right re ki wrong re yang na yakpure ki tukja re la sto di khande ki thon na religious points la social rituals di khang ki ngoto chi la na determine na decide chua khang ki decide chi du la na mi khurang ki rikshun china ketang khurang ki ya re ki tu are ani yang na khang la re yakpur right or wrong or good or bad lai do ang chi ki di lai res ra ta kerang chula khang la ra ni pa chik la de shi do shi kya we ra ta yang indikal khakpo thong ki do thena yang kerang ki repeat ni na di dos rituals are the religious activities performed for the mental and physical purity which also reflect the culture of the societies those rituals related to the birth, childhood, socialization, marriage, death, birth, death, are the fundamental aspects of the culture. The religious latu kapsla, rituals latu kapsla, it's a ceremony dosh ra, and which is normally performed it's for the mental clarity. Ki mental clarity tang physical purity supudi pure charge dura ta ki ming ta la sokpa do tang din pani cha chempo rang ming mena ki identity raki marira, so ming ta di ke chempo chong ki dos re ra, which also reflect the susiki culture contain belong chigi ye lani diki tugi do ra. For example, let's say ram do into example Hindu re lai do ta dolma do la na yang ki mo yang tisik Bubagi recutation inside the light out yang Jack do Christianity ki read out Christians ki read like different shit chituki doa dinzo sangma khande li lana ngajuki rituals tang cultures ta dinzo ki thoni li res ra. These rituals related to the tangajuki mi ke do tang ra birth che tang the birth ngajuki mi ke sani mi salong chakira childhood li res ra. Ani this shugla childhood samne ngajuki socialization like socialization la tu kapsla mix chiwa ta mi shemba ni ngodo chawa introduce chawa ra. Ani dinyam do shugla ngajuki marriage che la sokpata ni last the thamadin ngajuki chong do shra death nju changma adi basic fundamental lana basic chakires ra, basic features of the culture di nanglo la chulu culture kurang ki nanglo la dinzo ya tsugi la to basic chakires ra. Various communities, cultural groups, castes or ethnic groups can be distinguished from each other by their different rituals and traditions. So community like one example religions ki grounds like example chites wa religions chulung mangbo yere la na shinki ra ta Nepal ka chi chulung mangbo yutu manchi ki Jain, Sikh, khangla gore Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism mangbo yera Quran ki Hinduism nanglo la bani. So dinzo la tu kapsla dinzo ki communities mangbo chawto ra ta communities mangbo era nga jo kemla communities nga ji phoba community yere ra rongbai ki community yere ra Christians ki community yere community pe mangbo yere ra community mangbo yetu kapsla dina lola cultural khurang ki group te dang tang chidang tang caste nzo tang ra caste la du tang ji ki classes nzo la high class tang middle class tang low class nzo lai do class nzo tang ani ethnic group la tu kapsla nga ju ki community na la who share a common cultural background law year ra nga ju ki so community law la cultural backgrounds so law yungi res ra. For example nga ju ki Hispanics to tang ra Hispanic la tu kapsla Spain ka ji to speaking country nzola ki ji shiki bimang nzola Hispanic to ta yang na Han Chinese to example ra din so East Asian ka ji kang la ra China kurang ki dila lai rita community mangpo yungi re ro cultural group mangpo yungi re ro ani di nang lo la yang nga classes mangpo yungi re high class middle class lower class yungi ro. These groups can be distinguished from each other by their different religions and tradition ra ki mare suzuki cholu khildang tang chidang din zo lo yuna ani di susla identity res la re tang jo example kala wala for example the tihar do tang ju ki tanda dashai la sokpa do ta din jo Hindu community ki celebrate chi ra ngan jo chi mara ta ngan jo mara ta di ki clearly khang shin la na thong tungi la na ko jo Hindu society ni sarita Hindu community ni re do kona cha Hindu ki festival di celebrate chi du lai do yang ngan ju imba ina ngan ju losa do celebrate chi do din jo kya Buddhist kaji related to sare lai chwa din jo ki thone ngan ju ki differentiate chi tu ki res ra. Some rituals of these different groups are similar kashi do yures ra rituals ding ngan ju ki tang dang din jo ra life cycle of the rituals like birth, death, marriage and the way to perform them reflect the characteristics of the society. Ta ngan ki characteristics of the society la ra ta ngan ki society kurang ki characteristics main characteristic to di khandi do chagila na it's a life cycle of the ritual jigi ke ni chinwa changze khe tang she den changma di chikpa do chakye re ro and the way to perform them reflect the characteristics of the society kurang ki characteristic di ngajigi gi dos ro. Diversity is present in our country in numerous aspects like geographical environment, caste, ethnic groups, religions, language, culture. So diversity la tu kapsla differences la diversity is present in our country in numerous aspects. Ta nganju ki Nepal khachi shisung la ta waina differences mangbu yere la differences khawa yela na geographical environments la tu geographical environments tang caste and so differences yere caste la tu nganju ki classes so upper middle lower la do ani ethnic group la tu nganju nguni community who shares a common background loa yungire ro ani chuluk loa yungire ro ke loa yungire ani cultures so loa yungire ro the geographical environments la tu nganju ki Tarai hill mountains la dung ji such a loa la ani caste tang class caste la sopa tang language la sopa tang cultures la sopa tang jo changma loa yung gires ra. The differences in the social rituals of the people living in the Tarai mountain and hilly tai kharang gi konyong gire ra Tarai regions tang hilly regions tang any mountains regions so korang la social rituals tang din zo loa yungires ra and these are affected by the geographical diversity of the Nepal. The geographical diversity la du landscape di loa yudu manje ki landscape la na di du ra ta saja di sa tho tang sa ma tang sa plain la ra ta din zo loa yudu kurang chu ki duglo khondang la ina re ro namshi loa yudu manje ki thedang tang chidang tang tang ju town la yudu town la this influence chatu ani town ki kyasa shisung ki ngaju yi chiro ta sa thombo line ki ngaju ki namshi tangmo na ngaju ki shots ta din zo kunji mara di shisung ki ngaju ki festival di celebrate chidang di pani this is loa yungi re la ra rituals din zo celebrate chidang. Rituals are significantly different in terms of the caste, ethnicities, religions and social norms. However, there is a common understanding among them. The khaju ki caste tang ethnicity tang social norms nzura law yu waina there is a common understanding chi yures ra ani Nepal ki di tanda box chinang lo do box dinang lo la khang present share la na Nepal ki constitution la na chatim la ra chatim nitong tin thongi kapsla ngajula khang guarantee share la na ngajula religious freedom yure la ta religious la na ngaju ki kranchu ki haku ki ra religious freedom yugo susi ki language kan follow chiwaina re chulu khande gi kirang ki follow chiwana susala freedom yure la ne ta inde do chi chik ti yure ro ta chik gi khang la la ne kirang chu gi tunang te kores. Each person shall be free to profess, practice and preserve his or her religion according to his or her faith. Each person lalta ta misui na ro misui baina they have a freedom or they are free to profess la do free to announce, free to declare khang lana di res ra khang la re suzuki claim china bane di dos ra suzuki claim lana ta ngadi di nga khai mi nga shemba di nga chigi yi lana do religious practice khande chigi yona re suzuki practice china re suzuki chuluk dila suzuki khang la re sungyop chiwa ina re ra suzuki ije shisung la khande china di re la re thangbo dila ra. Second one is every religious denomination shall maintaining its independent existence and have the right to manage and protect its religious places and religious trust in accordance with the law. Niwadila khang laidulana every religious denomination la du kaps la value ra every religious denomination shall maintaining its independent existence lana independence la do not dependent la so shimba la depend me wache suzuki khang china do shamba ki khang la autonomous le do autonomous shamba ki ka ta intimate Suzuki khande chiwa ina ra Suzuki they have a right to manage Suzuki khang la ore the example religion law you to kapsla manjuki khala kola worship chisa law yungir wa ta khashi ki mosque la chisi re khashi ki monastery la chire khashi chu chike ne zoina temple la chire ra ta saja law din zu you to kapsla Suzuki religious places din zu yuru mare Suzuki church is saja din zu yura din zu ta ani religious trust din zu religious trust in zutang kurang chu din zo sangma Suzuki kangla gore thapa kya la sopa do tang ani manage dang zo kurang so chela thoptang yure ral ta di ko chidu kaps le ang ki lo ge team gi shizung la chi gore la re against lang zo doni in the che yo mare la re tang ki kurang gi religious trust la ni konyung ina khumanyung ina ra religious trust de khande do la na din religious trust nang lo la income tax dang din zu ki li yu sa mare ra din nang lo la trust din zu da dang ji ki charity da chake ra trust din nang lo la ni income tax de lingi mindu ani shung ki do Suzuki chulu khurang ki ta ki mimang khang la da shung jo shue ra Suzuki ta buddhist nang lo la ngaju ki chu chi ki nang lo la ta ki Suzuki group individual law yong ra dinzo ki rang ki Suzuki rang ki ta che ani di ta ni ani trust we tang ani di nyam dula the donation do tang dinzo khande le mai na ro the main this chi kwa trust di shaga di khande do dir dula na Suzuki religion la promote che chidrish Suzuki projects tang ani generation nang mo should like carry on charge it provided that it shall not be deemed to have hindered to make law to operate and protect a religious place or religious trust to manage trust property and regulate the land management the sumba dilang anjuki chatim dinanglo la khande thidulana it shall not be deemed to have hindered ladu deemed ladu kapsla judge le rata mi shimba ki Quran chu ki religions they follow chidang the law you to kapsla nganju ki hinder la du ta nganju ki hamper chu no kya shin la no kya tang Quran chu ki lega chidang tang Quran ki chu ki let's say the phala religious place chik saja chikla ta chido chi the na ta nganju ki yang side la le ni yang nganju ki no kya la sopa do tang yang side la khang la gore party chu la sopa do tang din zo chiwa na ngaju ki shen de la no ke ro ta din zo do ngaju ki chi chok ki mari la ra ani di chi pu me wa ani mi shimba Quran chu ki trust religious trust tang ani trust di conditioning ngaju ki manage chi du tang din zo la ngaju ki interference di mare la ra suba la khan lai la na ta ngaju ki while exercising the right to religious freedom, the person shall act or make other act in a manner which is contrary to the public health, decency, and morality, or behave or act or make other act to disturb public law and other situations, or convert a person of one religion to another, or disturb the religions of the other people. Such act shall be punished by the law. The last line lana tanganji freedom of religions the follow chidu kapsla ra phiju tangdu kapsla ra misu chu la khang thoptang mer la na misu cha la thoptang mer la ta thoptang di khade do la na mi shen ki khang la re religions de la ngji ki gurwa tang la sopa do thang ta mi chi chulu ko hindu do le sa ta kola christianity la ngji ki gurwa sopa do tang ku gi mi ko ngji ki semba gyur chu ga do dinzo nganju ki chichoki mare la ra mi Suzuki mi each and every individual la khangai thok susu la right here la na Suzuki religious freedom di yore ra Suzuki khande dama yena ra inji mi ji khang la ore mid la chembu tang ni ta inji mi ji khran dirang follow chi go la nganju ki force she tang dinzo chichoki mare ra ani Suzuki public health la sopa do tang ani morality what is right and what is wrong manjuki ani inzu tang an decent la tu cups la quality of being decent lai do ta ngi ki o mi di ta decent du ta mi ki ta chopa di ya po du ta shen yam du la thugi du ta la ta dinzu la ngi ki pet kurang ki khang la ora o kurang ki chidang di tigi min du la chwa ya ngi ki pe kurang ki contrary la tu cups la disagree chwa mi shen gi chopa khetang da mi shen gi khang la ore Suzuki the health the khande khande tinzo nganji ki opposite twa tan tinzo chichoki mare lat. These legal provision has supported the existence of the social tradition and rituals of all in our societies. The legal provision nganji ki di nanglo la shidwa legal provision tinzo sangma di nganji ki Suzuki society nanglo la nganji ki country di nanglo la sangma ki accepted chi yure la ra supported chi gi yure. Beside the diversity of the culture, religions, rituals, and traditions, there is a good understanding among the people of the different background. Tadi kirang segi kala ore lepa la shadi kichumbo tongi tu rwa. Nganzu ki society nanglo la no matter nganzu la kala ore multicultural society la yore rwa. Chizo di nanglo la nganzu la chuluk mangbo yore, rituals di mangbo yore. Festival celebrate chidang loa yungire ra khatsu cultures ta khatsu mangbu yo wa ina yang there is a good understanding anjula ra understanding the pe apo yore ro anju ki shin nang shin ki anjula thupa kya la sopa do tam tukja che la sopa do tam bom kya la sopa do anju yo mare ro kenan ki example dita wa ina people take part and respect each other tradition and rituals right ki mata di ngaju ki clearly ngaju ki thongki yore ro midin zo even ngaju ki Tibetan society nang lo ina ya ngaju ki la okay Tibetan society di ngaju ki site la shashra ngaju ki schools in ji ba ina ngaju ki we respect each and every festivals tang cultures in ngaju ki respect chi yore ro which is why ani ngazula khangla or ito imba ina ngazula even ngazi celebrate machi wa imba ina ngazula khangla or festival dila ngazi ki holiday do sti re ro ani ngazi ki Christmas do ngazi ki even ngazi Christian member ina ngazula khan chila na Christmas chila ngazi ki chuti do tangi re ta losal imba ira ngazi ki Dashain Tihar la sopa do ta dinjo sangma ngaji ki different religions korang chi ki festival dikhande celebrate chi ma ina ngaji ki dishisong la ngaji ki chiti tangki yore ro ngaji ki celebrate khala khala ta holiday do sti yore tigi yore ro ani dinyam la khashi ba ina ngaji ki take part pani chi yore ro ngaji ki ta example holy do ri ba ina ngaji ina ya pu dinjo chimuchi gi yore ro ani dinyam dlang ngaji ki mi shen ki tradition da shen ki cultures da rituals in dlang ngaji ki respect chi res ra which is why there is a unity in a diversity and tolerance are the unique features of the Nepalese society and culture. The Nepalese society and cultures di nanglo la ani tolerance le di pe shu res ra tolerance religious tolerance da ngaji ki community so hom chine te di changma thumbu tang unite chan thadi pe shu yure features chaki yure ra it is our duty to protect and promote such identity ragi mare Suzuki identity the culture in Nepalese society nanglo ki culture tang chuluk tang dinjo di Suzuki nganji ki linge do chaki yure Suzuki cultures tang dinjo protect chela ra there are quite a few customs and traditions that are bad and some rituals are considered to be evils or superstitious. The kashi yore customs kashis so the customs la ki practice or habit or any tradition kashi yore which are considered to be evil pe tukja customs customs la na practice la kashi tukja yore for example like untouchability la sopatang gender discrimination tang dowry tang dinzura are related to religion rituals and traditions. Similarly, there are problems in our society that are related to rituals like unnecessary feasts. The rituals kashi khande doyalana unnecessary feasts tang ani celebrations dinzura the feast la tunga zuge khala mangbo chik kuine ani nganze ki chik show off chi rosh to inji mi jing nganze nam kyuni sa khoi dang khoi di sana di do ta mangbo khala tin zu ten ta din zu show off da thong ki to swa ani the extravagant na spending more than necessary, right? Koi le lax nganze ki expend josong tangwa ani dinyam la animal sacrifice ta nganze ki khran su ki thanda dashain tang tihar ka dashain la mostly animal sacrifice chi do nganze ki to satisfy the god ta nganze ki hala nganze ki satisfy chi lash do ta din zo sama chik ta wa na superstitious belief ta ushrang re ro I don't think ki thanda di like inji mi chi khran chola thak khoya ta zo kechumbu re ne sam ki min du ra din zo khan la na this orthodox tawre samatang di ngoma ni indi follow chi tu cups la di nganju ki custom di tradition di follow ma ja wa na nganju ki suzuki pit khan la gore di lai do khare suzuki ancestors tin la nganju ki khan la gore di kuzuki kurang chu ki di la khama nyi gyo do re lai chua inde do thong ki du inde re sam ki du ro and use of the alcohol beverage the aradin zu pheche tanga din zu ro din zu chizo nang la ka yin din zu thonggi to ro these evils and problems should be abolished lana to put into end the migyor so ro as they harm the peace development and the prosperity of the chizo nang lo ka ji ani shide tang ani yarge kongpa da din zu khechu ki mi do la din zu evils tang ka nge din zu ki changma ki tuna khang la da ta rang re ra changma ki ya pu go choi ki re wa yu ani in case kana chu ki gom ha chu ko ina ani di video di goni tana ti tu lai ani tu china